Nagulat ako.
Hello po. Sir, magandang hapon po. Nasaan po kaya si Sir Ricky Tumedas? Kayo po yun, sir. Sir, meron po kami, sir, i-deliver po sa inyo, sir. Nandito po, sir, sa parking lot. Sige po. Dito na lang po tayo. Sige po, sir. Dito na lang tayo sa parking lot po. Ayan, sir, i-open ko lang po sa inyo itong deliver para po sa inyo. Lapit ka po dito, sir.
Kilala ko na yung service mo.
Ayan, surprise! Happy birthday po, sir! Ayan, Sir Ricky! Happy birthday po, sir! Ayan, ito po sa mga balloon para po sa inyo. Ayan. So, Sir Ricky, ngayon po kayo naman po ang nakatanggap po ng sorpresa. Meron po ba kayong idea, sir, kung kanino po nang galing ang surprise na yan for you, sir?
Wala.
Ayan. So, sir, meron lang po akong babasahin po sa inyong letter. Happiest birthday, Lods. It's been a month nung nakilala kita, pero yung samahan natin parang ilang taon na. Siguro nga yun yung sinasabi ng lukso ng dugo. Just kidding. Seryoso na. Masaya akong nakikitang ganyan ka. Sobrang liwanag ng aura kumpara nung unang beses na nakita kita. Thank you sa lahat ng effort and sacrifices mo. Mahal ka namin. May God fulfill your dreams, keep you healthy, happy and blessed. Again, happy birthday, Love, Lods, and Atalia. And meron pa rin po, sir, message para po sa inyo. Happy 37th birthday, Daddy. You have always been an amazing dad. Thank you for listening and to all the sacrifices. No matter how many times you got knocked down, you always got back up. I know you think you gave me a home, but what the world called broken, I knew was filled with love. You loved me enough to fight for me. You were mom and dad. You are more than enough. You are constant. You are there for everything. You are my best friend, my biggest supporter. The first one to whom I know I'll never measure up. Thank you for the life you gave me. I know it didn't come easy, but know that it was more than enough. You're the best, Daddy. I love you so much. Love, Rika. Ayan.
Hindi ko naintindihan yun, ah.
So ngayon po, sir, kayo naman po yung na-surprise nila. Ano po ba, sir, ang gusto niyo pong sabihin para po sa nagpadala po ng surprise na yan from Ma'am Rika, Lods, and Atalia?
Nagulat ako. Surprise na naman. Wala lang, salamat. Salamat sa kanila. Sa kanila lahat. Yun lang. Salamat.
Ayan, sir. Ang kanila pong letter na ibinigay po sa inyo, na narinig niyo po, sir, ay talaga namang nakakabagbag damdamin, sir. Kasi, sir, napakabuti mo po para po sa kanila. Ayan. At kaya naman po, Sir Ricky, once again po, happy birthday!
Hello, na!
Sir Ricky, dahil ang 37th birthday niyo po today, aawitan ka po namin ng happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ayan, sabay-sabay po tayong lahat. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ayan na, sir. Make a wish on your 37th birthday and then blow the candle po, sir. Ayan na, Sir Ricky. Once again po, happy birthday! Ayan. And muli, sir, kami lang po ay magpapakilala para po sa inyo. Kami po ang Rain Surprise Delivery all the way from Barangay Calicanto, San Juan, Batangas. And sir, binabati ka po namin ng happy birthday! Happy birthday!